Cheesy pasta recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound pasta, 4 tablespoons butter, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 cups milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 2 cups grated cheddar cheese, 2 cups grated mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup grated parmesan cheese. Optional chopped parsley for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook pasta according to package instructions until al dente, drain and set aside. 2. In a large saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. 3. Add minced garlic and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. 4. Stir in flour until a smooth paste forms. 5. Gradually pour in the milk, whisking constantly, until the mixture is smooth and starts to thicken. 6. Add salt, pepper, basil, and oregano, and continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. 7. Remove from heat and stir in cheddar, mozzarella, and parmesan cheese until fully melted. 8. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce and stir until fully coated. 9. Serve hot and garnish with chopped parsley if desired. Enjoy your delicious and comforting cheesy pasta.